Your credit card rate goes up, your mortgage rate changes, and your savings account suddenly pays more. Everyone keeps saying, the Fed raised rates, but what does that actually mean? Because one small percentage change can quietly cost you thousands. Interest rates decide the price of borrowing, and they also decide the reward for saving. When rates move, loans change, credit cards change, car payments change, and even the stock market reacts. It's not just a number on the news. It's the cost of money. Interest itself is simple. It's the price you pay to use someone else's money, or the reward you earn when someone uses yours. If you borrow $1,000 at 10% interest, you owe $100 for the year. That's it. Money isn't free. It rents. Rates rise when the economy runs too hot, when there's too much spending, too much borrowing, and prices rising fast. Higher rates make borrowing more expensive, and that slows people down. Rates drop when the economy is weak, because cheaper borrowing encourages spending. It's like a dial. Turn it up to cool things down. Turn it down to speed things up. Now look at the numbers. Let's say you borrow $20,000 for a car. At 4% interest, you might pay about $2,000 in interest over time. At 8% interest, that same loan could cost over $4,000 in interest. Same car. Same price. Different rate. Double the cost. That's how powerful one percentage change can be. Picture two people buying identical homes. One locks in a 3% mortgage. The other locks in at 7%. Over 30 years, the second person could pay hundreds of thousands more in interest. Same house. Different timing. Interest rates decide the long-term outcome. Most beginners focus only on the monthly payment. They say, I can afford this, but they never ask, what is this actually costing me? They don't look at the total interest paid. That's where money leaks. Savings rates matter too. When rates rise, borrowing gets expensive, but savings get better. A savings account paying 0.5% versus 4% is a massive difference over time. If you keep $10,000 saved, at 0.5% you earn $50 a year. At 4%, you earn $400. Same money. Different rate. Interest rates are leverage. When you borrow, they work against you. When you save or invest wisely, they can work for you. Before taking on debt, ask what the rate is, what the total cost will be, and what happens if rates rise. Because rates change faster than people think. So here's the real question. Are interest rates working for you, or quietly working against you? Because understanding that difference can change your financial future. This is Budget Boosters, where money is simple,